Here we have the LaserPecker 2, the LaserPecker 4 and the flagship LaserPecker 5. We wanted to check how good of a performance you can get from all these laser engravers in everyday usage. Could you achieve good result with the old LaserPecker 2 if you go full power and crazy slow speed at the same time? Is the LaserPecker 4 compared to the more powerful LaserPecker 5 actually still a good competitor, even with 90% less power on the infrared laser and 50% less power on the blue diode laser? Let's find out.
9, 6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
As you can see, the LaserPecker 2 compared to its bigger brothers is a much smaller device, so the portability on it is much better. But you will have to sacrifice the power, speed, and it only operates with a single laser, where the LaserPecker 4 and the LaserPecker 5 have two different wavelength lasers built into them. Quality wise, LaserPecker always was and probably will be a high-end product. The ease of use on these engravers are one of the best on the market. Even someone with little engraving background can operate them without any issues. As I mentioned on the LaserPecker 5 introduction video before, I still love the little LCD screen on the LaserPecker 4. It just gives the machine a smarter look and also is informative whilst engraving. I think the reason why they left it out on the LaserPecker 5 is that the majority of the users didn't really use the touch capability that often. The accessories you've got on the LaserPecker 4 are fully compatible with the LaserPecker 5, and the air purifier we got here from the LaserPecker is compatible with the whole lineup. It's simply a matter of connecting this hose to the exhaust fan on the devices. The LaserPecker 2 has an optional external battery that only works with the LaserPecker 2, since it's not powerful enough for the LaserPecker 4 and the LaserPecker 5. Although the bigger brothers can perfectly operate with this bigger external battery. So enough catching up with the aesthetics and capabilities of these devices. Let's do some testing.
Introducing PCBWay.com, a place to find a solution for all your electronic needs. PCBWay is the leading store in making custom PCBs, CNC millings, 3D printing, and much more. Get an instant quote for your custom PCB right now. You can also participate on the 7th Project Design Contest to win amazing prizes. Check out PCB Way website to find out more.
As expected, the LaserPecker 2 performed the slowest, but for its price tag, I think it still performed good enough for here and there an engraving on preferably wood, leather, plastic, black acrylic, some types of stones. LaserPecker 4 on the other hand can engrave on all those materials and metal as well without any issues, and it did it much faster. Cutting capabilities on the LaserPecker 4 outputs a much more reliable end result. And as last but not least, the LaserPecker 5 performed like a beast. Engraves on almost all kinds of materials, cuts, even tin metals, performs faster than all the rest. We didn't expect any less from it seeing its price tag too. So overall, I think the sweet spot for a hobbyist is still the LaserPecker 4. But if you are an enthusiast with deep pockets, then the LaserPecker 5 is a very appealing option as well. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you've made it until the end of the video, then make sure you don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up to help our channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!